Hello everyone, welcome to BIM Parametrics and I am Mohammed Shahrukh, and in today's video we will see how we can properly georeference a Revit project. So now in this example we will take a case scenario in which we are going to start a project. Okay, we haven't started modeling any building element yet. Okay, so before that what we will do, we will bring a AutoCAD file, that is a DWG file, okay, which is already having coordinates assigned to it. So this drawing will be acting as a kind of a parcel drawing for a building, okay, which is already having the coordinates. Now once we attach these coordinates to Revit, okay, and once properly georeference, and then when you start working on it, what happens is your model will be perfectly aligned with the coordinates, okay, and it will be, whenever you export it to IFC or to any other CAD form or any other 3D format, okay, with a proper geo coordinate system, it will be properly georeferenced. Okay, so to start with, first of all I'll show you, like, we have a CAD file already present. So here is my folder, assigned coordinates, okay, and here you will find a drawing called sample parcel drawing. This drawing I'll attach to this video, you can see in the description. So this drawing will be present there and you can download for your practice. Now let me open this drawing for you. So now you can consider this is like a parcel drawing, okay, and already there is a coordinates all attached to it. So let me go to ID, and once I click here you can see, let me switch on the snap, and once I click here you can see the values are already assigned to it. The x, northing and easting are attached to the, or assigned to the x coordinate and y coordinate. Now uh, before we start, okay, I want to show you like where is the actual geographical location for this parcel. Now keep in mind that this is like a sample only, okay, so this doesn't represent the actual parcel for that location, okay, just a sample example. Now to start with, let me go to Google Earth, okay, so here you can see we have, this is Kingdom of Bahrain, okay, and in this one of the island, what I have done, like I just created a parcel, sample parcel drawing, okay. So the same polygon, okay, is there in AutoCAD. Okay, now what I want to do, I will link this CAD file, okay, first of all in Revit, then we will acquire the coordinates, okay, and then I will show you we can start how we can start the modeling of the building. So let me close this AutoCAD file. Now let's start a new project in Revit. So I will go for new, and then let's go to metric default. So it's in metric system, click OK. Now you can see this is a blank project, okay, the coordinate system is 0 0, and no coordinate system has been assigned to it. So next what we will do is, I want to bring the parcel file, that is the CAD DWG file. So for this we'll go to insert, and then link CAD, and then next we go to desktop. So I have a parcel folder here. Sorry, let me go back here. I will go to assigning coordinates, sorry, and then here we have sample parcel drawing .dwg. Now before I bring it here, what I will do is, okay, I want to change the unit system also, because this CAD file is in meters. So what I will do, I'll change the unit system for Revit to meters. So I'll go to UN, and then let me go to length, and let's change it to meters. Click OK. Now once this units are changed, let me go back to insert, link CAD, and then let me go to assigning coordinates, select sample parcel drawing .dwg, and we'll keep the these fields as default, okay. Only the positioning, what I'm going to do, I'll do it like manual origin, okay, and import units will be auto detect, so it automatically it will detect what is the unit of CAD file, so which is in meter, and then we'll click open. Now once it is done, I will just place it anywhere here, okay. Now next is, I want to see this CAD file is showing here as a showing the coordinates, okay, but for example if I try to go, let me do something like I'll try to make a model line here, for example, and I want to see the coordinates for this one. I'll go to annotate and then spot coordinate. Once I go here and check, you see it's showing northing and easting as minus 12 and 12. So what does it mean? It's not assigned to a proper coordinate system. It is 0 0 right now. It is working as the internal origin. It's located as per the internal origin right now. So for this, now next what we are going to do, to properly georeference it, the first step here is to bring the CAD file. Now the second step is we'll bring the project point, base point, and the survey point. So for this, I'll press VG in the keyboard, or else you can simply go to your properties palette and click edit. Once I go here, okay, let's go to site and then check mark project base point and survey point. Once these two are check mark, I can click apply and then okay. Now you will see here we have the project base point and then we have the project survey point. Now at this moment, okay, I don't want to make any changes for there. See, there are different methods of doing the georeferencing, but in this example I am not touching the survey point. It will be as it is, okay, it will be properly clipped. So for this moment I will just press VG again, visibility graphics. I'll go to site and then I'll just switch off the survey point, okay, and then click apply and then press OK. Now next what I'm going to do is I'll bring my project base point and I will attach it to the point whose coordinates we already know, okay. So what I'll do, I'll just drag it simply here and I'll place it here. Now to make it more clear, I'll just hide this elevation point. So let's go to VG and then annotation categories, elevations. Let's hide this. Okay, so now you see I have this project base point placed at the point, or you can say as the corner of the parcel, okay, whose coordinates we know. Now next what I want is I want to rotate this project or the parcel, okay, before we acquire the coordinates. So that if when we start modeling our model, okay, it will be easy for us, okay. So there is a difference between the project north and the true north. So right now it is in true north, okay. Now for the project north, what I'm going to do, I'll select my link, I'll go to rotate, select the rotate command and then bring the rotation point and place it in this corner, and then I'll just select this edge of the parcel and then I'll just rotate it 90 degree. Perfect. Okay, so now once this is done, now the next step is we want to acquire the coordinates here of this link CAD file. Okay, so for this what we will do, we'll select the link CAD or the CAD file we have. Now once we select this, okay, we go to the properties and there we have the shared side option. So once we have the shared side option, we just click on the not right now. See, you can see it's not shared. We just click here and then select the second option, that is acquire the shared coordinate system from sample parcel drawing.dwg. So whatever coordinate system is applied in the drawing file, in our case which is sample parcel drawing, okay, will be automatically assigned to the entire Revit system. So once this is done, once this is selected, we'll click on reconcile. Now we can see okay, so I hope it is already the coordinates are assigned to it. Okay, so to check it, what I'll do, let me just first pin this. Okay, now to check it, we'll go to annotate, spot coordinate, and let's go and check. Now you can see the same endpoint. Okay, you can see that the coordinates are already assigned. Okay, so this is in the CAD file, these values, and the same values are present in our Revit file. Now what I want is I want to just export this, sorry, I want to increase the decimal places. So for this I will go to UN and then let me go to length. So it is in meters. Let me go to 2 decimal places, click OK. Now you can see the same exact correct values are assigned to our parcel. Now what happens here, let's start, for example, our the parcel data is properly linked. Now we want to start designing our building. So let's suppose I go for a wall, okay, and then this is just an example, so I'm just taking, for example, till level number 2, and then let me take a rectangle, then go to 3D view. Okay, now for example, at this moment you want to know, okay, what is the coordinate for any of the building points. Okay, so simply I can go to annotate and I can use spot coordinate system, and then you can see at this point this is the coordinate for the wall edge. Okay, so this is how you can properly as a geo-reference your Revit project before you start building, before you do any building modeling. Okay, and uh, in the second case, in the next video we will see, let's suppose you already designed the building but it's not geo-reference. Okay, so how we are going to do the geo-referencing for it. Thank you very much.